Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use Popplet. This is a graphic mind mapping graphic organizer, and this will help you organize information on a topic in various ways. So let's get started. I'm first going to go ahead and create a new Popplet. You have your home button that will take you back to the page we were just previously on. You have View All in Zoom. And once you create your Popplet, these buttons, you can use these functions, and we'll show you that. I'll show you that how to use those in a second. This will let you change the background color of your Popplet. So you can change it to blue, green, gray. I'm going to go ahead and stay with pink. And then you have the setting option. Now, let's create our Popplet. So, two ways you can create your Popplet. You can click on just make a new Popplet. I'm going to go ahead and just center it. If you don't like your Popplet, if you made a mistake, you can also go back and cut whichever Popplet by just using the cut the Popplet. First, you have to highlight it. And then you can go back and cut the Popplet. Or you can just double click anywhere on the screen and it will create a Popplet for you. So once you create your Popplet, go ahead and click on it. And then you have some more options to do. Right now I have my name on this Popplet. Let's say I want to take my name off. I can go to my settings button and click on hide name badges and my name will come off the Popplet. On this button, it will change the border color to whatever color you would like the border to be. This function lets you adjust the text size and the alignment of where you want your text to also be on the Popplet. So I'm going to talk about ways to stay healthy. Put an exclamation point. So again, I can adjust the size of my text, or I can also adjust the placement of my text as well. The next function is to draw an image. Now, I'm not a great drawer, so I'm just going to try my best, and you can choose your color. Ways to stay healthy, I think of a heart. So, ways to stay healthy, I'm going to put a heart there just so you can see the drawing function. I'm going to go ahead and remove it. You can undo or you can clear and start over. The next function is inserting either images via upload, URL. You can also do videos as well. I'm going to show you that right now. So first I'm going to upload an image that I already have saved. So I'm going to choose this one. And there's my image, ways to stay healthy. Got some vegetables. So now that I have my image and that's my topic, now I'm going to organize my information. So you see there's 4 dots around the Popplet. I'm going to go ahead and choose the dot on the right. I'm just going to hold my left mouse and I'm going to drag the line. Now you can do it however you wish to drag the line. And once you release, your Popplet is going to appear. And then from there, you can go ahead and hold your left mouse button and then drag it to where you want it to be to create it. I'm going to change the border color. So, add my text. One of the things I know that we need is sleep. So now I'm going to insert a video. So I'm going to click on this button right here, which has like a play button. I'm going to go to the video that I already had selected. I'm going to copy the URL code in there. And I'm going to paste it. And just like that, your video is there. Let's go to the next one. So now that I'm done with that, and then you can add to sleep. If you wanted to say more about sleep, you can add more to this part of your popple. So I'm going to add some to this side of my popple. I know something else that I need. Again, hold down your left mouse, put the line where you want it, and then release. And it's going to add your popple. Okay. So something else I know I need is exercise. So now that I have exercise, I want to add an image. Now make sure that you use images that are free and not copyrighted. So these are some images that I have looked up that are able to be used. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy the link, come back over here and upload it into my URL. And there you have it. You have created a popple. And then from here, you can add more to about exercising. And over here, you would add more to sleep. So you can go as far as you like. So if I wanted to view all, this shows you all your popple. You want to zoom in or zoom out. You can make this Popplet as large as you want to, and it will just keep all your information organized in a really nice and neat way. Hope you enjoy using Popplet and learning different ways to visually keep your information organized.